Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Our today's topic is going to be on hunger, hardship, and popular revolt from the chapter History, the Rise of Nationalism in Europe, Class 10 CBSE. The 1830s were the era of great economic hardship in Europe. The first half of the 19th century saw an enormous increase in population. Population explosion is one of the major causes for hardship in Europe. In most countries, there were more seekers of jobs than employment. Population from rural areas migrated to cities to live in overcrowded slums. So when people started moving from urban area to rural area, urban area is getting overpopulated. As a result, overcrowding of slums is taking place. Food shortage and widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. National Assembly proclaimed a republic, granted suffrage to all adult male above 21, and guaranteed the right to work. Earlier in 1845, weavers in Silesia had led a revolt against contractors who supplied them raw materials and gave them orders for finished textiles. On 4th June at 2 p.m., a large crowd of weavers emerged from their homes and marched in pairs up to the mansions of their contractors demanding higher wages. The contractors fled with his family to the neighboring village, which, however, refused to shelter such a person. He returned 24 hours later, having requested the army. In the exchange that followed, 11 weavers were shot. So you can imagine how the people have been treated because of hunger hardship. Here in the towns, as there is unemployment, overcrowding of slums, and it led to the complete pauperism. It's extreme poverty, and harvest is not doing well. People are not having sufficient income or the basic livelihood of food, cloth, and shelter. Even the king of France had been forced to flee from the country, and this is the condition of hunger hardship happening in Europe. And this complete set of decade, it seems to be a hardship decade. So here also you may get question in 3 mark or 5 mark. 1830s were the year of great economic hardship. Explain. It's a statement based question which comes in 5 mark for board examination. Students also do visit our channel for other concepts of the same chapter and get use of it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.